On the RAMweb homepage, select Financial Aid from the homepage menu. Then select the Awards and Requirements link and designate the appropriate aid year. And then on the next page, you'll see a purple tab on the right that says click here to view your financial aid awards. You'll want to select that option. And you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom to view your loan offers. Click accept, reduce, or decline this loan to let us know what you'd like to do with your loan offer. Please note any loans accepted will be automatically split in half between the fall and spring terms, unless you are accepting the loan after fall has already ended. Need to make changes that you don't see on that page? If you go back to the awards page, you can select request changes to your student loans. There you can also request to accept a fall or spring only loan, cancel or reduce a loan that hasn't paid out yet, increase a loan you previously decreased, or reoffer a loan that you previously declined. You can learn more about loan and other financial aid options on our website at financialaid.colostate.edu.